So I'm Divij Bajaj. I'm the founder of Power Gummies. We make tasty nutraceutical gummies, especially for your hair and nail growth, to better your skin and to get a good night's sleep. CMPL is a great initiative because it brings in under one umbrella all the players that are looking to market product and get the product made, and the white label manufacturers who can supply those products. In fact, personally, I've met like 2-3 people who I feel could be my future business partners. So if you're looking to launch a product, I think CMPL is the perfect fit. Or if you're looking for, or if you're a manufacturer and looking for brands like me on the supply side chain, I think this is a great event. There are a lot of brands available. It's all happening, a lot of footfall, and I'm personally really learning and enjoying myself. I think that one mantra would be something that I'll copy from Three Idiots is all is well. All will get well. So, like I say, it's entrepreneurship is like a test match, not a T20, but a test match where the first 50 overs matter the most. So that's what you have to keep bridging yourself into, that if some things are not working today, just stay put, stay calm. Eventually, it will work. And if something is working very well, don't get too excited to start scoring quickly. It is still a test match. So you have to be very cautious that even if this is working, I have to be very thoughtful and very careful in plotting, planning, strategizing every move. I think CMPL would be something where there'll be a lot of queues lining up, because there are a lot of Indian entrepreneurs that want to get the brand launched, and there are a lot of B2B manufacturers that are coming along to solve that problem for them. So I think eventually it's just a matter of time that CMPL would be selling passes at an obnoxious prices. So I'm happy I could attend it at very early times. I think that one word would be learning. I had a lot of learning today. Got to know a lot of new products that we can add in the portfolio via manufacturers. The new creative innovations that these guys have done that we can bring to market as marketeers. And I got to know that a lot of marketeers can learn and share their knowledge with the manufacturers, so that they can develop more and more new products. And I think this is the kind of ecosystem that India needs to conquer the world when it comes to commerce.